Cheers guys, in today's video I will review the EA Gold stuff on the MQL5 marketplace. It's having more than 500 reviews, which is a scalping system based on a martingale grid system. Besides the trading rationale, you will also learn what this trading bot can mean if you add it to your own trading portfolio. I will show you the trading bot in visual mode, as you can already see it running right here in the background. And apart from that, I will also show you backtest results, so to give you some facts and stats at hand, so you know what this trading bot can mean for you if you decide to get it into your own trading portfolio. Without further ado, let's head into the video. We are currently in a backtest in the year of 2022 on gold. Of course, it's adding quite a lot of trades. There's not a particular rule when positions are being added, but it's happening definitely in kind of a symmetry how positions are being added. There's normally, as you can see, not only one position, but a couple of those entries are always happening. So as soon as the price in that case is moving against the position, so here we are buying actually, and then price is moving down, so against the buy orders, more buy orders are being added. Yeah, that is pretty much a pattern in this system as I observed. So for example, when you go short and then price is actually moving up, as in that case, you are adding more and more short positions to get a better price, so to say. And as soon as price is moving in the desired direction, you take tiny little profits. As you can see it right here, the profits are tiny little, so that is why it is going into the direction of a scalping system. And in exchange, you have pretty steep drawdowns, as you can see it right here, quite in the beginning of the backtest or here and there. The green line in this equity curve is simply showing us the equity, so the unrealized losses and profits of that system, and the blue line you are seeing are the realized losses and profits. So you see here a steep increase, so that is like big wins has been banked, or also steep losses in that case, so losses has been realized as well in that case. But normally the system, as you can see it right here, is having no stop loss, so that is very dangerous, having no stop loss, since then the downside is unlimited and all your savings, the whole money on your trading account, is in jeopardy. So that is already a pretty big flag, of course, apart from being a grid system and a martingale system, since that is not really, at least in my point of view, a viable trading approach, investment approach. It's adding up that this system is also not implementing any stop losses. So that pretty much means, especially since you're trading gold and since you're trading with a leverage, all your savings are always at risk. And like this kind of lack of peace of mind that you can lose all your savings with only like a couple of trades with this kind of system, I would be very careful. Therefore, normally I would expect that this system is always blowing up after a while. Not only because of the missing stop loss, but also the combination of martingale and grid system. A grid system simply means you don't really have an edge in the system, and you're simply entering and exiting the market quite in random places, and you simply hope for the best that it's working out. And then normally creators also simply add on top of a grid system a martingale approach, so you simply double down as soon as you realize a loss, or in that case it's not even realizing losses. What is actually a different degree of being a dangerous system, since you're not realizing losses, the price is moving against the position, you are simply adding more and more positions, so your loss is actually growing with every single trade. And as soon as price is moving just a little bit into the right direction, you take those tiny little wins, profits home. However, in exchange of these very steep drawdowns, that is why I would be very careful. Apart from that, I would also like to mention that in that system, you are normally always in a negative as soon as you open trades. So let's quickly observe when the system is entering another bunch of trades. As we can see it right here, you are normally always in the negative. Now it's adding more trades in that case, more and more, until you realize tiny little profits. So that is also maybe your appetite, maybe not the most convenient way of starting out, especially when you're not comfortable with instant losses in your trading account, because that is pretty much the nature of that trading bot, that you're entering a position, another one, and you're simply doubling down until you make tiny little profits. So that is of course maybe not the best approach, especially when you're not comfortable with being in a negative. Apart from the fact, of course, that this system, it is pretty much inevitable that you will blow up your whole trading account with this kind of trading system. Let's quickly dig into the sales page of the EA Gold Stuff MT5. And what I like, well, the description is very short, on point. You see all the settings are being explained, even though the setting file is provided, so you don't really have to take care of all these nitty-gritties in the settings. But what actually caught my eye is the real-time result, and what I actually realized in the video from Petko Alexandrov. He was also checking out this trading bot, and he was also actually showing the live signal the creator provided. And what Petko was missing in his video, that he just had to scroll down a little bit to see actually the live results. He didn't do it, thinking that this is a malfunctioning link. So I will quickly show you a screenshot of his video right now, right here, and I will also link the video here in the upper right corner. And what you see are actually live signals which are not there anymore. So I will quickly show you where the link is leading as of now. Scroll down a little bit, you actually see the published signals. That is what Petko was missing, but I will now actually show it to you at least. And you see here's the EA Gold Stuff, and as you can see it in the screenshot itself, there are actually signals which are not there anymore. This is already giving me a very strong feeling that especially that provider is probably switching the live signals to show the most convenient live results to make it as attractive to potential buyers selling his trading bot. So I would be already very careful of believing the provided published signals. Nevertheless, let's quickly check out the EA Gold Stuff live signal, and as we can see, it is live for only 4 weeks, what is way too short. I will put actually the link of this trading signal also in the video description, so we can check it out in a couple of weeks, and we will actually see, is it still live, or did the creator already took it off from the EA, from the MQL5 marketplace to cover up a steep loss, because pretty much inevitable for such a system to be alive for a very long time, since it's a combination of grid system, no stop loss, martingale. That is pretty much the most toxic combination you can put into one single trading bot. So it is just a matter of time until also this live signal will show a steep loss, and you already see that the current maximum drawdown has been 40%, what is way too high. We will see what time will bring, and I will definitely do a follow-up video about this live signal, about the EA Gold Stuff, since this trading bot is not the optimal start for someone who wants to add trading bots, expert advisors to their investment portfolio more or less. Also check out the many other videos I did about other MQL5 trading bots you can also get on the MQL5 marketplace. You see it here in our MQL5 algo bot playlist on YouTube. So simply check it out, give it a read, and I will also link this particular video right here, what I can hardly recommend to check it out for a better start than the EA Gold Stuff. Thank you very much for listening. I see you in the next video. Cheers and goodbye.